Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. So today I have my niece Janine, and you might know her from like 5 of my other videos or more. I don't know how many videos you've been in, but like you've been in a lot, right?
I've been in a lot.
But today she's doing my makeup and she's doing it well. The last video we did was the blindfold makeup challenge, and you know that one. Yeah, whatever. But she did a good job considering. But yeah, this is part 2.
Part 2, yes, and I've gotten better, let's say, because it was a year ago. I probably just didn't know much about makeup.
Part 1 was a year ago, and she's learned a lot more since then, so she wanted to try to do my makeup again.
And if you want to see this look, make sure to keep on watching, and make sure to subscribe to her channel, and make sure to subscribe to mine.
Oh yeah, she has a channel.
Yeah, let's get started. Alright, so first I'm going to be using some primer for her face. I don't know how much you need. I never use primer.
Primer's essential. It really feels weird when somebody else does this for you.
She's not gonna really be telling me or looking at the camera because it's kind of gonna just be a surprise on like how I do this. And yeah, like I said, this is a part 2 of this because I've really gotten better. So yeah, I've kind of
you've grown up.
I've grown up. Yeah.
You grown up a whole year.
Yeah. I know. Now we're going to be using some foundation.
There's nothing left.
There's nothing left. So.
Very nothing, yes. Very nothing.
Oh, there actually is like, wow. She looks so cute. So we're kind of just going to blend that in.
I have to brush my teeth.
Oh, that's good.
That's disgusting.
Exactly. I've been getting better at this because I've been watching videos, you know, especially her videos. I'm going to blend it a little bit with this one now. Just because. Next, we're going to be doing some concealer.
It feels so weird.
She looks beautiful. This should be the thumbnail.
Oh god, my eyeball. Ow.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Look at me. There.
Yeah, because the camera can see that.
Yeah, they could actually.
Okay, go. I forget you're a lefty. This is weird.
We need to make sure it's all blended out because then you have little patches. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour palette.
Is it coming out?
I know it's like a gray.
That's the way contour's supposed to be.
Okay.
What the f was that? I'm gonna have to bleep that out. You're not supposed to curse on YouTube. I watched this girl. Her name is Liv Loves Her Makeup. And she's also a teacher, which is kind of interesting. A music teacher. She plays the flute. Yeah, it's interesting. And so every other word out of her mouth is a curse word, and YouTube has banned some of her videos.
Oh my god.
Because she curses too much. Oh my god.
What?
I hope you're gonna blend it.
Can you move your head?
I want to use this as a contour. Like, I want to get a darker shade for contour, like the Shape Tape, because it's called the Shape Tape Contour Concealer. So it's interesting.
Don't look. I can't help it. I'm gonna bake, and I have my baking right here. What are we using?
The Airspun. Cody Airspun. Please don't get it on my eyeball. It smells like viejita. That's the benefit.
It looks like a skewer.
Precisely my brow. Wow, do I really have to be this close to you?
Yes.
Your
Wait,
breath.
I didn't even bring it.
They can't see, just so you know, I'm sure.
Yeah, they can. Right here. Stay right there in that position.
This is so comfortable. I could just fall asleep. Sense the sarcasm.
Yeah, it's a little dark.
Yeah, but the third one, this is 4, and 3 is for redheads, and 2 is too light. So I'm like, what the frick am I supposed to use? Do you see me looking down?
Alright, yeah, it's pretty, like, soaked in. Now we're just gonna wash that off. Just kind of like, you know, swish it. You know what I mean? Swish it. We're using the Jaclyn Hill. And Jaclyn Hill, if you're watching this, like, we both love you. Yeah. Like,
yeah, right. In my freaking dreams.
But yeah, we're gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette because it's a beautiful palette. And it's dirty, yeah. So first, I'm gonna use this color as my transition. Then this orange as a crease, and then this really pretty glittery pink as my lid, because I just want to do like a pop color, you know what I mean? Shoo, shoo, yeah.
Okay then.
Alright, now, as I said, I'm going to use this as the crease color.
What'd you do? Hello, you just put the brush on my cheek. What's wrong?
No, I'm just laughing.
Because it looks like.
Do you really think I want to look bad in front of your followers? No.
Just sitting on my glass.
I love Desi. She's probably my current favorite YouTuber.
Alright, now Dia is going to be like, wow, Janine, you're very talented right now.
Oh my god, you're actually gonna cut the crease. I'm scared for life. I'm so talented, I'm scared. Okay, that doesn't feel right.
I cut the crease like that. Like you said. There.
Feels.
Don't look!
I won't. It feels really far up.
I decided, since I showed you the colors, I kind of want to not change it up, but I just want to show you what I'm going to do now. I'm going to use this color and I'm going to mix it up with this color instead.
You're not using a glitter?
Yeah, it is a glitter. There. I'm going to do primer first while I do the rest of the face. So, look at me.
Please don't poke my eyeball out.
Look, can you not look? Okay, there. I'm now using the bronzer. Blend that in, you know what I mean? There you go. Done with bronzer. What's next? Oh, highlight. Now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills
Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. I love it. It's my
favorite.
Jinx, you owe me a soda.
There's soda outside.
That's
Go get it
true.
yourself.
I want some soda.
So I love mixing these. I don't know why, but I'm gonna get 143 and a little bit of Daydream just to kind of pink it up.
Does it look good? Is it glowy?
Finished. Some people don't even put highlight on because they think it's too much.
I'm like, girl,
highlight. You need to.
I wear highlight every single day.
Now add a little bit right here just to make that glow, and then of course right here. It's my favorite part to put it. I'm gonna do Forever Lit again in the inner corner.
What brush are you using? Okay, whatever. That had green on it.
No, I washed it off.
You washed it off in the sink?
I took it off.
It doesn't come off. Oh my god, I better not have green on it. Oh my god. I haven't washed it since I've done that tutorial. Is it coming off
Yeah.
green? I told you.
Dolce
Pink. Milani.
Dolce Pink. Just kidding. Yeah, you see what I'm done. Now, mascara.
Can I please?
No. Finish touch.
Okay, yeah.
These are all my Kylie Jenner's lipsticks. You know,
thought that
it's all mine. I mean, it's a thick line, but I'm lining them.
You messed them up on purpose last time, and I'm worried.
And I just messed them up right now. Okay, now I'm gonna get the MAC lipstick. This is from Kylie Jenner, Kristen. Yeah. This is my look inspired by memes. So now kind of look forward.
Are we cute? Am I cute?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I look now?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's really pretty. I gotta fix my lips.
What? It's beautiful.
You did a good job!
Wait, but
so this is the final look. I think she did a good job. Part 1 was a hot mess because she messed up my lips on purpose and I looked like a hot mess. And
I made you Miranda sing.
for real. This is much better, isn't it?
Yeah, and if you guys want to look at the part 1, just start scrolling down and try looking for it.
Oh no, I'll have it linked down below or up here.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye.